Zhengjigang Eceng Machinery Company Limited is a manufacturer of the entire line in PET package. We specialize in making plastic blow molding machines, extrusion machines, plastic molds, and plastic products. We are professional in PET packing, mainly to provide systematic service from perform design to bottle blowing for customers. So far, upon Eceng Machinery's own strength, abundant communication and technical resources, as well as the skilled team members, it has provided quality services for tens of thousands of customers around the world for their building new factories and updating equipment. Linear YCQ sequence 1-cavity to 16-cavity blow mold machines, which are independently designed and developed by our company, are close to the international level of similar produces in the machine performance. Its production covers 1,000 bottles per hour to 18,000 bottles per hour, and it can meet different requirements of PET bottles, including water bottle, sparkling beverage bottle, edible oil bottle, juice bottle, and tea beverages hot filling bottle. YCQ series fast-speed PET bottle blowing machines operate with accuracy, stability, automation degree. It is an ideal choice for large water companies, beverage companies, and PET packing container supply enterprises. Together in well-faith and dedicated service is our constant aim. Warmly welcome customers from all walks of life to negotiate business with us.